Hello boys and girls, today we are going to be learning about pronouns and antecedents. So what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. You can have singular pronouns, which take the place of singular nouns. For example, I, me, she, him, her, and it are all examples of singular pronouns which would only replace a singular or only one person, place, or thing. You can also have plural pronouns, which take the place of plural nouns. So for example, we, us, they, and them would be plural pronouns used to take the place of more than one person, place, or thing. The pronoun you can be both singular and plural. Sometimes you're referring to you as one person. Sometimes you could say you referring to a group of people. So let's try and replace the underlined nouns with pronouns. Catherine called Lisa and Matthew on the phone. What could we replace Catherine with? What could we replace Lisa and Matthew with? Notice how Catherine is one person. Lisa and Matthew refers to more than one person. So we're going to use two different pronouns to replace these. She would replace Catherine, and them would replace Lisa and Matthew. So she called them on the phone is a sentence that basically says the same exact thing, but just replaces these original nouns called antecedents with these pronouns she and them. The original nouns that are being replaced, again, are called antecedents. How about another one? The dolphins were swimming to the island. The dolphins refers to more than one dolphin, and the island refers to one place. So these are two very different nouns. Let's see how we would replace them with pronouns. They were swimming to it. They refers to more than one dolphin. That's why we would use a plural pronoun like they. Whereas the island, since it is only one place, we would call it it. So the dolphins were swimming to the island, they were swimming to it. Let's look at the difference really between pronouns and antecedents for just a second. An antecedent is the original noun that the pronoun refers to. Antecedents are replaced by pronouns. So in that example we looked at, Catherine called Lisa and Matthew on the phone. She called them on the phone replaces those antecedent nouns with pronouns. She and them are the pronouns. Catherine and Lisa and Matthew are the antecedents. Let's see if we can identify the antecedents that are being replaced by the underlined pronouns in these examples. Lillian is a great chef. She makes delicious lasagna. The word she is underlined because it's a pronoun. What is the antecedent that is being replaced by the word she? You said Lillian, you're correct. Lillian is the antecedent that's being replaced by the pronoun she. How about the next one? Christopher Columbus met many Native Americans. He traded with them. In this new sentence, we have two pronouns that have replaced antecedents, meaning they've replaced some nouns in the previous sentence. So he refers back to, that's right, Christopher Columbus. Whereas in that example sentence, them refers back to Native Americans. That's right. So because Christopher Columbus was just one person, we use the singular pronoun he to replace him. However, Native Americans refers to more than one person, so we would use the plural pronoun them to replace that proper noun. How about the next one? Jacob made a pie. He will take it to the party. He and it are both underlined in that second sentence because they are pronouns that replace the antecedents from the previous sentence. Which noun from the previous sentence does he replace? If you said Jacob, you're correct. Jacob is the subject of that first sentence, and he's the subject of the second sentence. He replaces Jacob because Jacob is only one person. Therefore, you needed a singular pronoun to replace him. How about it? What does it refer to from the previous sentence? It has to be replacing a singular noun because it is only a singular pronoun. Do you see it there? Pie. That's right. It is the thing that he is taking to the party. The pie is the thing he is taking to the party. Awesome job. So, what do you do now? Well, you're going to log on to Study Island and complete the pronouns and antecedent practice assignment under your ELA class. And you're going to continue practicing these questions even after you earn your blue ribbon to prepare for your test on pronouns and antecedents, which will open up on Thursday and be due this Friday, June 5th. All right, please let me know if you have any questions, boys and girls. Have a wonderful day.